Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix an iPhone not receiving text messages. To fix the iPhone not receiving text messages, you need to follow my steps. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down in Settings and click on the Messages app. Now, from the Messages option, make sure to turn on the iMessage option from here. After that, tap to turn on the Shared With option. Then, you have to make sure that you're connected to a good internet. Now go into the Settings app and click on General Options. After that, scroll down in General and choose the Reset button. And choose the Reset All Settings option from here. This will fix your iPhone not receiving text messages. If none of the above solutions work, it may be a more complex issue. Reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. Remember to back up your iPhone before attempting any major changes or restoring it to factory settings. This ensures that you can recover your data if something goes wrong during troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.